In this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube on your Apple TV so you can enjoy your favorite videos, playlists, and live streams on the big screen. Let's get started. Using YouTube on Apple TV is simple and provides a seamless way to stream content from your account or discover new videos. To begin, ensure your Apple TV is connected to the internet and signed into the App Store with your Apple ID. Open the App Store on your Apple TV, search for the YouTube app, and download it. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can still browse and watch public videos without signing in. But logging in gives you access to personalized recommendations, subscriptions, and playlists. Once you're signed in, you can navigate the app using your Apple TV remote. Use the search feature to find specific videos, channels, or playlists, or browse through categories like home, trending, and subscriptions to explore content. You can also use Siri voice commands by pressing the microphone button on your remote and saying something like, "Open YouTube" or "Play specific video or channel." For an even better experience, you can cast videos from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to your Apple TV using AirPlay. Simply open the YouTube app on your device, start playing a video, and tap the AirPlay icon, a rectangle with a triangle at the bottom. Select your Apple TV from the list of devices, and the video will stream directly to your TV. If you encounter any issues, restart the YouTube app or your Apple TV to refresh the connection. You can also clear the app cache or reinstall it if needed. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on using streaming apps and devices. Thanks for watching, and I hope using YouTube on your Apple TV is now easy and enjoyable for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.